Hey everyone, my name is BonBon, and welcome to Funtime. Foxy's time my Growling requested. Ooh, I can't wait to see this. Okay, let's read the comment. Funtime Foxy, the pirate fox girl. Wait, I thought Funtime Foxy it's a boy. Do it me, please. Okay. She or he rated this. Let's get started. Shall we? Oh, there she or he is. Oh, that's a female Funtime Foxy. Okay. Hey, that's not Funtime Foxy. That's Mango. Oh, well, that you use the male version of Funtime in that picture. Okay, this is strange. Why zoom in he on Mango's bow tie? Oh, wait. Let's read. She dresses for to be sexier. Oh. Freddy, you gotta see that. What is BonBon? Look, Funtime Foxy. Look. Wait, whoa, is that Funtime Foxy? No, that is Mango. That is Free Mango. The YouTuber used a picture of Free Mango. What? Why Mango would dress like that? Well, I think I like how you draw her belly and yeah, I actually like it. Do you, BonBon? Yes, I really like it, Freddy. Yeah. Ah. This is just stupid. I'm so excited to see this. Let's. Whoa. How did you? Wow, the YouTuber even draw her stomach growth and she write G and 4 R's. Okay, and a question mark. Question mark. I mean, how is it called then? I don't know. Let's get started again. There's Mango the pirate. Whoa, Jesus! You zoom in her belly. Wait. Wow, Mango, that's strange. Why you zoom so much in her belly? Oh, finally, after eating. Holy jeez, she's fat. What? Okay. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I was BonBon and I was Funtime Freddy. And we will see y'all later, guys. Bye-bye.